discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So your name's Sonny, I remember.
Yes, sir. 6 Platinum 18s in the back, running on a base 20K at 0.6.
Okay.
Then there's 4 6.5, 4 8-inch resilient sound Neos in the doors on a 2000.2.
Okay. Nice. And you built this, or who built this?
Yes, I did.
Nice.
I built it every bit. My son here, my designer.
That's your son?
Yes, sir.
I didn't never know that.
That's
Okay.
my designer.
All right.
He said, here, Dad, build this.
All right.
This is his one. I just built it.
Okay.
Put everything in it for him.
Nice.
And get the right around.
And you still got some roof work, maybe? Or are you going to add some wood, maybe?
I've got, if you feel right there, you can feel the lift in it.
Yeah.
So when I lift this one, I put a piece here and then this one will lift in.
Okay.
Come over even with the top.
Yep.
And it's secure.
Okay. Yep.
Just no
Nice.
time.
Yeah. Wow. Do you know your tunings on this at all?
I peak around 30, 33.
Okay.
What it's actually tuned at, I don't know.
You can play almost anything, probably.
Yeah, I
20s to
play
50s.
anything
Yeah.
from 20 to 50.
Yeah.
I mean, there's nothing it won't play.
Yes, sir.
Like I said, he designed it and said, Dad, this is what you need to build.
Yep.
And that's what I did. I didn't ask him what's it tuned to, how big is
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
If he said build it, I was 100%
All right.
confident in it.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, anytime, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna go look at the back too. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Exciting news. Hey, go, BigJeff. Y'all know how this is going.
On high power, and actually them 2 back subs has got a burnt core on each of them.
Okay.
I just didn't want to come down here and feed on them like this.
Yeah.
And then have to go home and recomb them.
That's right.
So we'll go home and recomb them now, and then we'll dump more power.
Yes, sir.
All eyes on roll up the club. All eyes on me. All eyes on me.
it's windy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo.
I'm on